Are we rolling? Yeah. Hello, Sam. It's me. My toast is in the toaster. It's getting nice. I'm gonna take it out and put some Vegemite on it. I'm not really looking forward to it, but I have my Vegemite. Where is it? Where did I put my Vegemite? Here is my Vegemite. So, yeast extract. Concentrated yeast extract. Yeah. Okay, so my toast is done. Just gonna put it's okay. So I'm taking my Vegemite with me and I'm just gonna.
Jo, men det som ikke det alltid skal skje akkurat når man har satt seg ned. Det synes jeg virkelig. Den er tom.
Okay, so I'm going out to the dining table. Oh, God. This is... Okay, ouch, it's hot. I'm gonna try set up the camera a bit. So if I do like that, you can see that, okay? Okay. So again, this is my first time trying Vegemite.
Hva skal du ha på toasten da, Linnea? Og så setter man tilbake stoler og sånt. Altså, det er håpløst. Ja, skal du ikke ødelegge hele smørgåsen hvis du ikke liker det? Det er ikke bedre å smake på det først. Nei, det kjenner jeg. Hva vil du ha på, Linnea? Hallo? Snakker med deg?
Ja da.
Okay. I'm spreading it out. It doesn't look very appetizing. It smells bad. I can't smell this. This isn't. Can you get me a glass of Kool-Aid or something?
Det lukten?
It's extremely salt.
Unnskyld, video, men Simon liker ikke det. Gi deg, Simon.
I'm sorry, I couldn't finish it. It's just too nasty. Bye.